What's this?
This is the best quality in India.
Oh, really?
105 piece, 20 each.
Is that silver or what?
This is a good quality.
Is it silver?
Silver, all silver. Golden, no color fading.
Do you have a license? Do you have a document that is?
Documents?
Yeah.
No documents. I am documents. This is a good quality. Yeah, I am Karolo.
Karoro. Oh,
Karoro.
That's awesome. Like, how do I know it's silver?
Hindi, pura Hindi.
No Hindi.
Yeah, all silver.
All silver. Show me, because I went to Jaipur. You know Jaipur.
No, I am Kanpur, Vikas Dubey Kanpur. I am Kanpur.
Okay, I went to
Yogi Adityanath, bulldozer.
Okay, so how can you prove that that's?
Yeah, this one is a China, made in China.
Is that silver?
Silver, all silver.
How do I know? How can you prove that that's silver?
Proof, silver.
How?
This one is a arc. I say checking. No, silver.
What's your name, brother?
Abhilash Tiwari.
Nice to meet you.
है बहुत बड़ी बीमारी.
Okay.
Good night. Good day looking, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, but I wouldn't trust you.
Yeah, दोबारा मिलना, bro.
Okay, I'll see you next time.
Next time यहीं पे.
Okay.
All.
But you said this.
But
silver,
he's a silver,
But
bro.
the proof is you, right?
Proof, I am proof.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh,
What's your name again? Abhilash.
Abhilash Tiwari. Okay. Thank you.
That guy was not a character. I asked him like, how do you prove that that's silver? He said, proof is right here. Proof is it's just me. So you get to make all kinds of characters out here. But if you are really in a mood to shop, you can get the stuff you're looking for. Maybe it's not very authentic, but you will still find that for a cheaper rate. You can find all kinds of people out here. It's not Woodlanders. How much is it?
This 950.
Huh?
This 950, sir. This top price 1499 top price.
Thanks.
Okay, 800, okay?
You said how much?
800.
Before you said 200.
No, 200, sir.
Okay.
How much last price, sir? Good price.
My pants don't have any, so it will be a waste.
Good price, sir. Good price. Okay?
Do you know where I can find some electronics?
Yeah?
Electronics
आगे.
out there?
700, okay? 700.
I don't have a thing on my pants, like how I can wear it.
ले जाओ किसी को गिफ्ट दे देना सर.
Gift. I don't have friends.
Okay, 700.
Maybe next time. It's okay. Maybe next time.
Shop price 1499 shop.
It's okay. Later.
Okay, 600.
No.
600, okay?
No. I think we have just seen that.
एक मिनट. Okay, 500?
No, thanks.
Okay, 500, okay. 500.
No, brother. Thanks. No.
चलो.
Not really.
Okay, 400.
No, thanks. So he's just trying to bargain. You just
400, okay?
he's just trying to bargain.
Okay, 350.
No, I don't want it.
Yeah?
I don't, these pants don't need the belt.
किसी को
I don't
गिफ्ट
have.
दे देना सर. 300, okay? 300. 300, okay?
No,
300.
no.
You take.
No,
Good quality,
thanks.
sir. Good quality.
No thanks.
250, okay?
You
Okay,
better
250.
you better find someone else, brother. What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Sanjay Soni.
Nice to meet you, but you find someone else.
Okay.
I don't want it. It wouldn't work in these pants.
200.
You tell me some. It wouldn't work. 200.
200.
It wouldn't work.
अरे किसी को गिफ्ट दे देना सर. 200 सर.
No thanks. Find someone else. Thank you.
सर 100 प्राइस 1499 सर. सर 100 प्राइस 1499. 200 में दे रहा हूँ.
How can you make so much of profit if its sold price is 1400? Then
No
how
profit,
can,
sir.
Then, do
No
you really
profit.
like me that you want to give it for such less?
No profit कमा रहा हूँ.
Why? Why do you
No
want to sell
profit.
something? Why do you want to give me something without profit?
खरीद रेट पे दे रहा हूँ.
How much money do you make every day?
Yeah.
How much money do you make every day?
ये
Yeah.
195 my cost.
190.
My cost.
Your cost.
10 rupees कमाएगा सर.
Okay, I'll give you 10 rupees.
Okay. 200 okay.
I don't want this. I
ले
can
जाओ
only give you
sir.
10 rupees.
Yeah, 10 rupees. लो.
I don't want this.
Yes, Gucci perfume.
ले जाओ सर 200 लगा दिया.
So you said you're selling it for 190.
190 my cost. 10 rupees कमाएगा सर.
Okay, I'll give you 10 rupees.
Yeah, 10 rupees.
I don't want this. We don't have Indian currency. We just landed from Nepal today.
इसका कितना होगा?
This is around 30.
30 rupees?
Yeah, you take it. Because I don't want to buy it, I'm giving you.
अरे सर बेल्ट का व्यवहार क्या सर?
Okay. Is that okay?
Nepal rupee.
We just reached here today after 30 hours of bus ride.
this one यहाँ 30 rupees.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
30 रुपए में
Yes.
बेल्ट दोगे?
वहाँ पर नहीं दिए थे यार,
Okay.
30 रुपए मतलब वर्ष दिए थे।
Yeah, gift. It's a
तो जाओ
gift.
कुछ खा ही
It's a
लीजिए।
gift.
No, we don't.
No,
नो
we
बेल्ट
don't
ना
want
ही लिए
gift.
थे, गिफ्ट दिए थे।
This is just a gift.
अब ले खो तो ले लो।
यहाँ कहाँ चली हो? यहाँ कहाँ चली है? तब 30 रुपए क्या दे रहे हो? और दे दो 30 रुपए। गिफ्ट दे रहे हो 100 रुपीज 200 दीजिए गिफ्ट।
No, it's okay. Thank you, brother. So, so we are just checking out. How much?
3000 इस 1000 बता दे कितना दोगे?
Nah.
कितना कितना?
Come,
How
let's go.
much? How much कितना?
No, I don't want it.
यार हमारी ये तो
I don't have Indian currency.
हाँ how much?
I don't have Indian currency.
So
So
कितना 1000?
no.
500?
I got for cheaper than this last time.
हाँ ओके थे।
No. What is he doing? He just wanted. This place is something else. He just tried to solve his airport box right here. I've been to Delhi quite a few times before, but I don't think I've been to this place where people will literally shove things at you. So anyway, we are just moving on. Let's see what else we can find. It gets so crowded. It's almost hard to walk. You can see. Oh, that's watch. And people who know it's a camera, they just move away because they don't want to be on the thumbnail of a YouTube video that they are selling fake stuff. So, but people who don't really care, they just want their names to be out there, like this guy I just met. And they make for a good video.
Friend, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Vintage.
Okay.
Discount price.
How much?
Only 350. Only 350.
No, someone said it's much cheaper.
How much?
No. There's a clown in the middle of the. How are you?
फाइन से ये क्या चीज़ है सर?
This is just a camera.
कैमरा?
Yeah.
अच्छा।
This is not a gun. A lot of people think it's a gun. It's not a gun.
हमारे को दे के पिलाओ
This is your shop.
पिलाओ हमारे को तो पिलाओ ना सर।
Uh-huh.
People have to clear up because they're from.
एक पिलाओ हमारे को तो ये
What do you
एक
want?
पिलाओ हमारे को तो
What do you want? Tell me.
हाँ वोडियो मैन
They're clearing up the stores.
Yeah.
वेलकम
Okay.
सर
Thank you. What's your name? What's your name?
जोकर
The clown.
जोकर
Okay, that's good.
पिला दो तो सर
So we are just,
हाँ
we're just checking out the place, and then it seems that these shops are not really legal. So they're trying to clear it out before the cops come. Before I was a little worried about the lighting because it's dark here, and I thought it's gonna be already late. But out here it's also well lit up. So I hope you guys are able to see whatever this camera can capture, because it's like a action camera. It's not ideal for night vision, but this place is so well lit up. I don't think that's a problem. Or while editing, I might do a little bit of color grading so that you can watch it better. And I'm sure that the word has been spread around that there's a guy with a camera here. Just be careful, because they have all this network among themselves that if anyone is seems suspicious, I believe this whole thing is not very legal, because they will just open their stalls right in the middle of the road, and then whenever it's illegal, and whenever the cops are there, they will just rush inside so that they don't get a ticket. I think that's about it for today. So I'll just call it a night. See you guys in the next one. Struggling to get out of this place, people everywhere. This place is full of alleys like this, and then how much?
6,000.
So anyway, so there's another guy. He's
कितना करेगा?
asking That's what's that?
Cosmetic item I have.
Okay, all real or fake?
Real.
Really?
Not fake.
Show me
Only
that.
50 rupees sale. Yeah.
What's the best brand out here? What's the best one? Oh, so they are just showing it.
Buddha.
Okay, so how much is that?
50 rupees each.
How can you sell it for so much cheaper if it's like branded?
Branded shop price
Yeah,
1200, 1000.
yeah,
One piece lipstick.
yeah. But you're selling it for 50 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay, how can you give it for so cheap if it's 1,000 rupees? How can you give it for so cheap?
Cheap 50 rupees each.
Yeah, if it's 1,000, how can you make profit from 50 rupees?
Shop.
You have shop, that's why you can give it for cheap?
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
yeah. Sure.
Okay. But I don't really use lipstick, so it wouldn't work on me.
No used. Only new piece.
Okay, I got it later on. So I think people are really high out there. There's one more person. Excuse me. Sorry.
How much?
That's the thing about this camera. It's so discreet that people don't realize that it's a camera. And then once they figure out that it's a camera, then they just get really spooked out. So it's starting to get dark right now, and then I'm still in this market trying to find more interesting characters, and we're probably ending up in a different street right now. And this is all after 30 hours of a bus journey just for you guys. People are really running right now. They're just trying to move their stalls or cloths inside their shops, because someone informed that the cops are coming because this is illegal. So they're getting really scared.
Look at them.
So they're just trying to hurry and put everything inside.
Look at them.
So I'm not sure how far you could see that because my battery just died. I was worried about shooting this place, when there is no sunlight. But I think it's well lit enough for this camera to capture everything. It's a bag. There's one more belt guy here, and he wants to sell another belt, but I don't want to hand out another Nepali currency right now. So in this market, I found one thing. You would get a lot of people asking you to buy their AirPods. I don't know what's the deal with AirPods, because a lot of them would want you to buy their AirPods. And the first guy I talked to, he said that they just get it from the customs, and that's why they're selling it for cheap. But I'm quite sure it's not the case for everyone.
5 minutes okay?
No, not okay. So yeah, I got it. One I have already bought it. Thank you. I had to literally lie to them for them to stop hassling me, because then I just told them that I already got that. They are like, okay, thank you. I got it. Thank you. So here's a trick for you guys. If you really want to shop here and you're bothered about getting hassled by one of these guys to buy their stuff, just say that I already got your stuff. So then they will just say, okay, fine. You're not going to buy the same thing twice. I got it in my bag. I already bought. Already buy it.
हाँ मतलब इनके पास है अच्छा है
I got it.
ले लो 1250 का है
I already got it for 800.
800
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
ये कितने का लेना
Okay. Anyway, so we just.
ये क्या है
This is a gun.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं हम
No.
कैमरा है ना
Yeah.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं हमको अरे यार रिकॉर्ड क्यों कर रहे हैं
Okay, no worries, bro. I always.
इसका कितना देना
How much?
कितना देना
How much?
ले लो 1250 का है
This bag I don't want. I was talking about your
Watch.
airport. This one I already got it.
100 रुपए का
100. Do you have the scan?
तुम
Can I
वीडियो
scan?
क्यों बना रहे हो ये है क्या चीज
Can I scan it?
हाँ
How much is this? 100 rupees. Are you sure?
अरे यार तुम वीडियो
Okay,
ये क्या है?
I'll buy it. I'll buy it for 100. I have already have one. I'll buy.
ये क्या है ये
This
बता
is a-
Camera.
कैमरा है
Yeah, can you get
वीडियो बना रहे 100 का बोल रहा तू 400 बोल रहे
100?
कितने का है भैया?
ले लो 1500 ले लो
हाँ?
1500
You said 100. No worries.
100 बोला। लास्ट प्राइस बताओ।
You say 100. Buy. No worries.
ये लेना है
No, I don't want
लो
it.
कम का लगा दूंगा लो
I don't want it. I don't want it.
लो
So anyway, so we're just moving out. 100, 100, 100.
हजार इसका
No, this one 100. 100.
1000
Okay.
1000
You say 100.
900
So you know they will keep hassling you, and then if you're here, you need to be careful with your bags and everything. There are a lot of pickpocketers, and then a lot of people will hassle you. So my trick was that whatever they want to sell you, if you want to get rid of them, you just tell them that I already have whatever you're selling, so I got it from another guy. No audit. Thank you. That's about it for today. Now let's see what I can find tomorrow in Delhi.